every single month. I make anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 with affiliate marketing. And I feel like this business model is literally for everyone. Since you don't need a website for this, you don't need to create a product, you don't need any money to start, and it gives you flexible time and location. So you can work on this business whenever you want to, and from wherever you want. So with all of that being said, affiliate marketing is literally the easiest way that you can start to make money online with no previous experience. In this video, I will show you how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner in 2023. So if that's something you're interested in, then make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, and let us begin with a full step-by-step tutorial. Now let's talk about what affiliate marketing actually is. Affiliate marketing means being paid commission whenever you influence a sale on a certain website or platform. So for example, some company is selling a dog training for $1,000 each, and they are giving 50% commission on every sale. Now you would grab an affiliate link, you would find people who would need a dog training, maybe some dog owners, and whenever someone buys that dog training through your link, you will earn $500 profit in this case. This makes it perfect for beginners, since you don't need to create your own website, you don't need to create a sales page, you don't need to create your own product or service, then deliver that product or service. You don't need to do customer support and all that hard and boring stuff. But all you have to do is share your affiliate link with other people and make money whenever someone buys through your link. Now before we get to how I actually make over $1,000 a day in passive income with affiliate marketing, let's talk about the step number 1, which is choosing the right affiliate niche. You see, when it comes to picking the right niche for affiliate marketing, a lot of the people would give you an advice that you should go with something that you are passionate about, which I honestly think doesn't work, because there are obviously some niches that get better results and more sales, and there are also niches that make a lot less money. So you could be passionate about art, but if there is no good affiliate program related to art, or you can't find someone to buy some affiliate program in the art niche, it's hard to sell, then it will be dumb to go with something that you're passionate about. So instead, here are a couple of affiliate marketing niches that are actually hot and produce amazing results, especially at this moment. Niche number 1 is a lifestyle niche. This is everything related to travel, luxury, jewelry, and fashion. Niche number 2 is the finance niche. This is everything related to stocks, investing, and money. Number 3 is tech niche. This is everything related to web hosting and software. Number 4 is cooking niche. This is everything related to cooking and food. And now we also have the niche of crypto, NFTs, and everything around meta words. And once you choose your niche out of these 5 hot niches that I just gave you, you will proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is to pick the right affiliate offer. And in order to pick the right affiliate offer, you can either choose some affiliate networks, some affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com, digistore24.com, partnerstack.com, or you can just go to Google, search for your niche, plus just add affiliate program keyword. But if you decide to promote some offer in the tech niche and you want to promote some software as a service, you can go to partnerstack.com and go to their marketplace. And once you come over to partnerstack.com/marketplace, you can click on Explore the Marketplace. And that's going to show you different tools that you can promote as an affiliate. For example, this one is going to pay you $50 for every new customer. This one is going to pay you an average of $12,000 commission per deal. This one is going to pay you $25 commission. This one is going to pay you 30% commission, 30% here, 20% up to $500 per referral, and much, much more. So as you can see, all these different offers will pay you different amounts of money. You will just select some category from the left-hand side. Select some niche, for example, social media. And then let's say you want to promote this offer or learn more about the offer, you're just going to click on it. And that's mostly going to show you some details about their affiliate program. In this case, you can learn that they will pay you either with PayPal or Stripe. But if none of those are available in your country, they do have alternative methods as well. In order to grab your affiliate link, all you got to do is press apply to program and then sign up as an affiliate. If you on the other side want to choose some different niche, then you can also go to digistore24.com and then just click Start Now. It's free to sign up. And then you can create an account in less than 60 seconds. Once you create an account here on the left-hand side, you're going to be able to choose from different categories and niches. Then you will just select the category that you want to focus on, find the product that you want to promote, and just press promote now. Once you do that, it will generate an entire affiliate link for you that you can copy with one click of a button. Step number 4, getting free traffic through your affiliate links so you can finally make money with affiliate marketing. You see, when you ask someone about how you should actually promote your affiliate links, 99% of the people would tell you that you should run Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other paid traffic, instead of wasting money on paid ads. Her is a free traffic and earn method. So the number one free traffic that I personally use are my faceless YouTube automation channels. Some of the examples of YouTube automation channels would be The Richest, where they talk about luxury and money. And according to Social Wave, they are getting 4 million views every single month. And they're also making over $17,000 a month in ad revenue, like a cherry on the top. So you see, the beauty of YouTube is that not only can you drive free traffic from YouTube itself, but then YouTube will also pay you at the end of the month, depending on how many views you get. So instead of you spending money on traffic, you're actually being paid to drive traffic viewer affiliate links. Here's another example. They're basically reposting someone else's TikTok videos, and they're pulling hundreds of bucks. They're promoting different things through their community tab, and they're making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 every single day. And you can see that he actually got started 1 year ago. So in a few months, they went from having $0 to making over $500 every single day. And if you want to use the same traffic source as them, then just complete the following steps. First of all, go through Fake Talk and find some cool video, copy the video link by pressing this button, go through snaptech.com, paste that Fake Talk link in this box, and download a video with one click of a button. Now just re-upload it to your new channel and credit the owner of the video, either in the title or the description box. Since this entire process takes no more than a single minute, you can repeat this action and get at least 5 to 10 videos re-uploaded every single day. The more you do it, the higher chances of some of those videos are to go viral. You get a lot of views, which you can then convert into affiliate commissions. Step number 6 is to start promoting your affiliate link. To promote your affiliate link on your new YouTube automation channel, all you have to do is create a community post with a call to action and your affiliate link included. And honestly, this method that I just showed is fairly easy and simple, but it's not as effective as if you had a normal YouTube automation channel. Because if you're just re-uploading some random content, it's going to be hard if you attract targeted people who would be interested in buying a specific product. But if you post targeted content, let's say you make videos about luxury watches, and then in one of those videos, you promote luxury watches with an affiliate link, then there is a high chance that a lot of people will actually click that link and purchase some of those watches, so you can make money with affiliate marketing. So, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. If you enjoy watching and want more of these contents, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till next time, bye.